Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I use Microsoft OneNote for homeschooling with unit studies. Specifically, I am using this with Campfire Curriculum unit studies. So we're going to get started by opening up our OneNote app, and we're going to go to File, and you can see all of our different notebooks here, but we're going to create a new one. We'll just name this one Example Unit, and then we'll click Create Notebook. And this is when you can invite other people to access the notebook. So you'll put in your child's email address, or if you're using this with a co-op, each of your students' email addresses, and you will send this link to them. This is the only way that they'll be able to access and edit the unit notebook. So here we are in the notebook. We're going to name our first tab Links. This is where I'm going to copy in all of the Campfire main lesson links and other pertinent information, maybe the link to the audiobook, etc. Then we're going to start making some tabs, one for each lesson, and in the tab we're going to add a bunch of pages. Each of my kids get a page in each lesson for reading notes, activities, vocabulary, and core connections. And this just helps them know where they should be writing their notes for each thing that they're doing within the lesson. So we'll get Mason's pages set up, and then we will do the same thing for each student. So each student should have the same exact type of pages, and we would just keep doing that until we have everything that we need. Then you can either click and make a new lesson and redo all of that typing, or you can go to lesson 1, right click on the tab, and go to Move or Copy. Find your notebook that you're currently working on, click on it, and click the Copy button. This will copy over the whole tab, including every single page that you've already typed up, which is really nice to have already done. So let me just get rid of this one, and then we can double click the name of the tab and rename it. So we'll just keep doing that for each lesson. This lesson has all of the tabs that we did, or all the pages that we did, so we'll go ahead and copy again. Copy, go in, move or copy, find the notebook and copy, and just keep doing that. And then you're going to go ahead and rename each lesson so that there is a tab for every lesson in a unit. So most of these units have 12, and they'll go straight across here. You can also change the tab color by right-clicking it and going to section color. It's not necessary, but it makes it easier. I can tell the kids to go to the purple tab or whatever. So this is kind of what a unit would look like. You click here, you can see each of the notebooks, so you can go through all of your different notebooks. In the links tab, I will go to the Campfire website, and I'll go to my account, and maybe not an account. I think it's in the links up here. So go to the links, you go to the unit that you're currently making a notebook for, go to the main lesson links, and I'm going to copy this whole thing. So I'm just going to highlight it, and I will copy that. and I'll go to the links page and I'll paste it right in here. And this will allow all of those links and everything to be pasted right in here, all in one place. So when I am screencasting to my TV with the kids, I'm not flipping through the website and the notebook and going back and forth. It's all here. I can also do the book list or the core connections stuff. Any of that can also be right here in the links. So then, let's see what else I wanted to show you. You can move these around. So what I do is I move these over and then I go to my sheets. Sheets.google.com is Google's version of Excel, and this is how I organize each unit. It's where I put in all the notes on the unit for me as the teacher, what history and science it's going to cover, and then what books I might have them read. And I try and get them to read a biography, a fiction, and a nonfiction during each unit. And then I will just copy those right in here, and you can copy tables and links and photos and videos. It's all can be put in one place in this notebook. Think of it like a virtual scrapbook. Okay. So that is how that's done. One other thing I wanted to show you was if your kid is using Chromebook for school, then it'll be easier for them to access their notebooks through the website. So you go to OneNote.com, and right here is all of your notebooks that child has access to. Let's see why this isn't working. What's going on here? Okay. Let's see here. There we go. We'll go to OneNote. There's our unit. So your child will be on their Chromebook accessing the lesson. And and there's everything that we put in there. It's all there. They go to lesson 1. And kind of slow today. There we go. They're in their reading notes. I'm reading the lesson. They're writing in their notes. They're doing their activities, and they're writing their vocabulary. So whatever they put in their notes, then when you go to your account, you can go to lesson 1 and go to his notes, and there it is. Exactly what he wrote. And so you can see live what is being added to the notes. So I hope that helps everybody, and let me know if you have any more questions.